Hi guys, I'm Shutai from the designsketchbook.com and today we are going to draw at the cafe Phuc Long in Vietnam. So I like to draw and sit in a cafe because it's pretty relaxing, and I was looking around me to try to see some inspiration. So I draw some people around me. I started with that young woman in uniform and trying to draw with a loosen up lines, but somehow I felt like my lines was pretty stiff and even her posture was pretty stiff. So I tried then to do a second sketch which is more loosened up, trying to get your first sketch as much loose as possible, but you will see that sometimes the result is not as good as you wish just because you needed some warm-up time. So whenever you draw, don't give up at your first sketch, because if in case it's not as good as your previous one in your previous session. So just take the first one as a draft and draw a second one, do a third one. And as you can see here, the third one, I gain more confidence, I gain some more loosened up lines, and it's so much more energy in my drawings and my lines, and it started to be even more fun. And remember, always draw from general to details. So try to look your models like we have some quick look in 1 and 2 seconds and draw. Try to feel it. Don't try to reproduce 100% of what you see, because you want to have a quick sketching style. It's something that you try to spot and remember the posture, the attitude, the expression of people, and this is what is going to help you to draw how you feel and giving some emotion to your drawings. It doesn't matter if it's like the face of the people you draw are realistic or not. That's not the purpose here. You just want to capture as fast as you can and drop down on your paper, and you will see that every single sketch actually takes pretty fast. And then also, don't be worried to stare at your people, at your models that you are seeing. If let's say they catch you looking at them, staring at them, they will spot that you're drawing them, and then they will just send you back a smile. Another tip for the composition is try to draw your people with different scale. As you can see, one is standing up, another one is more like close up, and this is how you're going to give some more interesting board for your presentation. Alright, so also add some details as you wish. Do not hesitate to invent some to make it more exciting as well. And I hope you enjoyed this video, and I see you on the next one. Bye bye.